Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Pandahall items to share with you guys. I am so excited. Every time I get new Pandahall mail, I am just over ecstatic. Now this time I have chosen something I've never had before and I absolutely am in love with these already. I haven't really looked at them properly. I did get out these pens. This is my first item I'm going to share with you. I did grab 2 packs of it because I just thought that I had to have heaps. Now this comes in a pack of 20 it seems. And you know what's so special about this Beadable pen, you guys? Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. Can you tell the difference? There is a solid color here. There is a clear area here. And this is the area where we feed our beads through. And you know what this clear area is? Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. You unscrew it and you fill this inside here. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. I think I have to screw the other side, I'm thinking. Yes. Look. I think I have to pull out some of this and to fill it, but I'm gonna like do that and then I will come back to you guys with all of the decorated beaded pen. Or who knows, maybe I'll decorate some with you. I don't know, we'll see. But I have 2 packs of those. And look, I am so excited. Okay, so next item is this one here. I have been gifted some of these star shapes a while ago and they are in different tone. This one is more like a milky tone pastel and you get so many in a bag. And look at this, you guys. So there is the hole there, so you can add your jump ring there. And then you can also like use wire, jump ring and little wire thing to dangle here as well. So pretty. You get them in various colors, as you can see. I mean, you get all of these pinks. How pretty are these? And like these colors here, they are perfect for summer crafting as well. And imagine including these for your ocean theme crafting. How fun are these? They're like really good sizes. Okay, next one. I have already unwrapped this one. Look, it comes in this clear container. I love collecting these clear containers because I always refurbish these. I decorate the outside and fill the inside and gift it in Happy Mails. I love doing that. And I love that Pandahall items come all nicely protected. Now these are sequins, you guys. They're like little clear sequin packs. I don't know what you call these to be honest, but I can actually even poke a hole through that and add a gold jump ring and make it into a charm. I mean, I can always put these in like clear bags and gift them as well. But you get avocado. That one, I'm not sure what it's meant to be. Maybe a carrot. Maybe it's a carrot because it's got orange outline. But here is a strawberry one. And you get pineapple. Oh my goodness. How fun are these for your fruit-themed group swaps and things on Happy Mails? You get grapes. I love these so much. Cherry. I've always wanted to create cherry theme, but I think cherry alone might be... I thought maybe I would add some other thing with the cherry, not just cherry. I mean, even the watermelon, they go together nicely. I mean, how pretty are these, right? So here's more carrot. I think they are carrot, I'm thinking. But how fun are these? Such amazing quality as well. Absolutely love them so much. Okay, so that was another item I found. Another one is a beadable pen set. It comes in a box like this already. And look, inside you get this whole lot of beads. Even with the rhinestone spacer. Oh my gosh. And you get included one set of pen. This pen here. And it's an ombre one. And it's got glitter shimmer on them as well. So nice. And let's have a look at all of these amazing items in here. Oh my gosh, I am so happy to have these. And you guys, when I go onto Pandahall to select my items, I'm like there forever. Like, it takes me days to like really decide what I want because they have so many amazing things. So you get these rhinestone spaces. Oh my gosh, they are so nice. Now what I really want to show you is that these spaces, they fit. Let me just quickly unscrew this so you can fit them through. See, these go in here nicely. Look, how wonderful are these, right? And let's have a look at some of the beads in here. You know what I really was attracted to? I was attracted to these. Have you seen these beads before? I'm pretty sure you have. I'm sure you guys are all mad bead crafters as well, just like me. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. And you get them in various colors like mint and blues. And then you also get these really interesting, you know those gummies with the fruity syrups in the middle? These remind me of those. And look, they almost look like good enough to eat. Oh my gosh. Look at this. So wonderful. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have so much fun playing with all of these. And then you also get these ones, these AB coated gummy ball looking things. Look, oh my gosh, I am gonna have so much fun. So you get variety of mix of colors in here, which makes it so fun. And this will be a really nice Christmas gift as well. I mean, I can see so many pretty colors. Look at that blue and that one. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, so I have those. Then you guys, I found these. These to me look like little candies. I can imagine myself creating a little candy packet with these. But this is a lot. I did not know that this was a really big bag. So I'm gonna just like cut the top a bit to show you close. And yes, they're probably gonna fall all over my desk, but it really doesn't matter because I have to put these in a container anyway. Look at these, you guys. And you know what I really love? I love finding beads with bigger holes, so it's easier for me to feed them through the beadable pens and keychains. So pretty, right? I love the look of the daisy look around. It almost looks like daisies to me. Yes, I do love daisies a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, they can just go there. Those ones can just stay on my desk, I reckon, for now. Okay, next one. You guys are gonna love this too. Oh my goodness. Look at this ginormous bag I have. Now, when I chose this, I mean, I didn't think it was this big. I actually thought it was going to be same size as this, but now I'm even more excited that I have a bigger size because I can fit through a bead in the middle. That's what I was thinking when I saw these. See? I could even like find a smaller size acrylic bead and feed it through the hole. Where's the hole? Actually, this doesn't have a hole. No, it does. Yes, it does. See? There. Can you see the hole there? Oh, yeah, you can see it now. So I can actually put a wire through it and put a little tiny bead in there and create another kind of daisy charm or dangle. So I have all of these colors. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh. The white one, there's a purple one, and there's a blue one. Can you see? Look how big they are. They are so wonderful. And I love how light they are. Because when you're sending Happy Mail, and if you want to send Happy Mail overseas and things, like including pretty things that are light will definitely be great. So I've got a pack of this. It says 500 grams worth. Wow. Okay, the next lot, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this so much. I think I chose two kinds, but they look a bit similar. But you know what these are? These are those large alphabet beads. Okay, I need to open the bag a bit more. Look at these, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love these. Can you see? So here is like letter T, Z. I really have no idea how I'm going to use the Zs. But I think the Z ones, these ones, I can just use it as a pattern. I don't have to use them as alphabet. So we have W here, X. And you can always do XOXO, I suppose. And then you know, just spell your friend's name and gift a dangle. I mean, I have seen so many people use the paracord thing and stuff. I did get a little bit of the paracord for myself too. Look at all of these candy-like colors. Now, with these ones, you don't even have to make it for your friend with the full decorative thing. You know, you can gift a set of alphabet letters in their name, put it in a bag, and send it off so they can have fun creating their own style of dangle. I think that's going to be a really fun thing to do. So again, I think this bag is 500 grams worth. And I really hope there are a lot of letter E's in here. Because usually when I buy alphabet beads, it's the letter E that's always very, very difficult to find, right? Oh my gosh, so pretty. Look at all of these colors. So then I have this one here. And I am thinking they're meant to be a bit different, I think. But I'm not sure. Or did I just get one? Maybe I just ordered one. Hang on, I think they're different size. Are they? I'm not sure. Let's see. Is there another C? No, I think they're same. Maybe they're the same. Let me look at the packaging. OACRN1. No, they are different. They're meant to be slightly different. So anyway, I chose 2 packets of slightly different alphabet beads so that I can... This one's broken. So I can have enough alphabet to use. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love these so much. So that is everything I have to share with you guys today. Make sure you guys come back and see what I do with all of these new goodies. And make sure you guys use my discount code in the description area. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye for now.